win too, and then I'm done. So I need to get my sleep schedule under control. I have gloves. Okay, well, whoever we're battling, we're not losing. So with 5 gloves and Kristen makes it 6, I mean, we're we'll see. We're gonna find somebody to come in. Everyone keeps declining us. Everyone keeps declining us, so I guess we'll just sit here and patiently wait. We rise with a mission to deliver craftsmanship worthy of your king. A promise. Thank you for the rose, babe. Lydia, hi. How are you? Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. You know what? Some jokes tell themselves, and I'm just going to let people look at you. Always the women that look like this that want to be mean to me, and I don't understand why. I do understand why. Thank you. Women who hate other women because they could never is just embarrassing. Listen, there's women that are a million times better looking than me, and I never look at them and think like, ugh, you bitch. I'm like, good for you, girl. Thank you for the roses, baby. Good for you, girl. You make that money, honey. Thank you. There's definitely women that are way better looking than me, but that's okay. Thank you for the corgi. Thank you for the corgi. Hey, babe, how are you? Vince, it's just like people. So this is the thing. Either people are really insecure and jealous, or they see me and they see that I have 300 people in my room and they're upset that like, well, I wish I had that attention, but I can't get that attention because I don't look like you. When in reality, if they were entertaining or interesting, they could do that. I forgot that girl's name already, but she could have, came in here and was like, hey, I wish I could make money online. Like, could you help me? I wish I could do this. Like, how can I do this? And, I would help. But instead they come in here and they're so aggressive and so like, it's weird. It makes no sense. Like, it really doesn't make any fucking sense at all. Like, I don't get it. I don't understand white privilege. Me? Did you just assume my nationality? My race? Did you just assume it? Just gonna... The fuck is... Oh. Ryan, are you serious? Oh my God. That's hilarious. Chat, it's going so fast. I can't see anything. It's going way too fast. It's going way too fast. That's hilarious. Fast as fuck, boy. I said that yesterday. Everyone always says, like, would you flash for Gipple? You send me 5 lines, and that'll be worth me losing my account, okay? 5 lines. We'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And then call me.